The Supreme Court further held that the governor's actions are not beyond the judicial review. His actions can be judicially reviewed by the Supreme Court because no one is above the law. Everyone is below law. No matter it is the governor, no matter it is the president. Every inaction, every action which is against the constitution is bound to be judicially reviewed. The court referred to the judgment of Indira Sahni versus Union of India, which clearly held that the yardstick for judicial review is not the source from which the power is coming. So let's say if the source is governor, or if the source is prime minister, if the source is the president, if the source is the chief minister, so there cannot be a judicial review. No. The yardstick is if there is an action which is against the part 3 of the Constitution of India, it is against the fundamental rights, or it is against any basic structure of the constitution, it is bound to be judicially reviewed. No one is above law, making it clear that governor, president, all the constitutional heads of this country are below the Constitution of India. Constitution of India is supreme.